Friends, welcome back to the new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys how to disable aeroplane mode in our realme phone. Friends, you want to disable guys your aeroplane mode, so as you can disable it. And friends, now let's see how to disable aeroplane mode in our realme phone. In this video guys I will show you, friends. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel and guys you are watching my video first time, so when first of all guys subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video, friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to disable your aeroplane mode, then guys scroll it. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your realme phone. How can you turn off guys this aeroplane mode? So guys, you can see guys your phone connection and sharing option. Friends, tap here, and guys you can see guys your aeroplane mode setting. So friends, you can see right side guys this icon. So guys, tap here this icon, then it will disable to your phone. Then guys you can use guys your hotspot setting, and guys you can use your mobile data also, and guys you can call to your friends. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable aeroplane mode in our realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.